Welcome back to the Caribbean Business Exchange's coverage of Conference 2025. It's the 20th anniversary of the JC's Regional Capital Markets Conference. And I have a very important gentleman here with me. He's from a wealth management company that I am told is a diamond in the rough. And he's the new man in charge to bring that diamond to fruition. Herbert Hall.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Welcome, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, so you jumped into the hot seat at Cumax Wealth.
Correct.
And you're about to take it to new levels. Why you decided to make that plunge? What's the difference that you think you're gonna bring to Cumax?
Right. So when you think about Cumax, Cumax is a wealth management company that offers a gamut of services.
It does.
Right? A broker dealer, funds, pension management, pension administration, right? And interestingly, what a lot of people don't know, it's one of the brokers that can actually trade stocks in Canada.
Right? Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And that is something that sort of endeared me to the company. Apart from the fact that, there are opportunities to help to catapult the company to where it ought to be.
Yes.
Right. So I'm a practitioner, investment banking practitioner. And one of the things that we want to do there is to bring that sort of skill set, investment banking, which really and truly, is something that will help not only Cumax, but the market in general. So, in coming out of retirement, I thought it was a good opportunity to sort of, apply my skill sets, to help Cumax grow. Right now, Cumax, as you know, Cumax is owned by the Credit Union League, right? And many people regard Cumax as a broker for the credit union.
Let's talk about that, because yes, Cumax has the league behind it, and you could say they could sit there and trade the league's portfolio, but you have, as you rightly said, that diamond in the rough, because you have that entire gamut of credit union members.
Correct. Absolutely. And what Cumax has been doing is sort of helping to build wealth amongst that membership, which is great, right? And we'll continue to do that, right? But there's also the opportunity to expand the client base and to offer some of the products. For example, again, the trading of the stocks, right? The Canadian stocks, which is, it helps in diversifying one's portfolio and to get the benefits of a first world type of
hard currency.
Absolutely.
Talk to me about how that hard currency and portfolio diversification, the importance of that, especially in a scenario where we've always had devaluation.
Right. So one of the number one rules of investing is diversification of your portfolio, right? So you get that from stocks that are not, the companies are not domiciled in Jamaica. And the benefit of that is that if something happens in Jamaica, the contagion within, whether it be the manufacturing sector, the financial sector, it's still going to be impacted.
Of course.
Now, when you have a part of your portfolio overseas, more than likely that doesn't happen, right? So that is one. You get geographic diversification. And when you talk about currency now, it has been a long-running joke that, our currency is really a one-way street. And that is depreciation. Now, for persons who want to preserve wealth and value, having something that guards against that depreciation is great. And hence, foreign currency.
Yes.
Right? So you have a double whammy, right? In a good way. So you're diversifying geographically, as well as your portfolio is now in US dollars. So that guards against continued depreciation. Right? And so you sort of preserve, as a matter of fact, right? You get that benefit. So if you want to convert back now, the value at a higher rate, the value is preserved.
Wealth is not simply counted in dollars or cents, but in the time we spend with love, in love, giving love. Wealth is not simply a means to an end. It is the means to live out loud. Wealth is more than money. It's about family, the memories you create, the legacy you leave behind, and your ability to enjoy life in the moment. It's also about seeing the Cumax possibilities and seizing investment opportunities to achieve the future you want and deserve. Which is why Cumax Wealth will focus on your investments so you can experience more. Because true wealth is truly more. To start investing today, call 876-926-7767.
Today, we celebrate 20 years of excellence. Now, as we celebrate excellence, our founder and CEO, Mr. Armando Carr.
All the people here today has contributed directly to the journey of Resolve IT in different ways. After 20 years, they're still in the 20% that is successful. Don't see problem, rather, it's a solution. Give Armando and his team a big round of applause. Let us work towards another 20 years.
We're growing in two ways, because you're growing if the stock market grows.
Absolutely.
And then if there's depreciation,
you get the
benefit higher value, especially if they started with Jamaican dollars.
Correct.
You're a man with tremendous investment banking experience. And as the capital market grows, investment banking has become a big thing. Private equity, all these deals. How will you introduce that into Cumax to help to change the status quo?
Yeah, so for a lot of the brokers, originating of assets is important, right? From your portfolio and asset management perspective, from the trading of your proprietary book perspective, and also from getting from trading of your clients' books, right? If you don't have assets, more than likely your trading is not going to be as robust and as buoyant. So investment banking, right, especially from the origination of assets perspective, helps that, because you're going out, you're finding companies who want to raise capital via the debt market, right? You're making sure that these companies are solid, right? They have good management, right? They have a good board of directors that keeps the governance aspect.
Very important.
Very important, right? And also that you're in an industry that will survive in the long term, right? So you look for those type of companies. You float their bonds. You may want to list it on the stock exchange bond market, right? So you get an asset which is tradable, and that can be used to back other assets. And the asset managers now get the asset, which is the bond, and they can trade it, as well as their clients can get in directly. So it offers a variety of benefits for Cumax and for their clients. And by extension, you help in that wealth creation process, right? Which is what we're all about: preservation, wealth creation, and also education. So that is why I'm happy, that we are able to have this discussion around Cumax and how we can, help to preserve wealth, build wealth, and invest in education.
For you though, the task must be mammoth. I mean, yes, you have your team and so on, but it's a competitive environment. Everybody is here. We sit them at this conference, people making the deals. It's January, and people are all out bullish for this year. How are you going to manage that to be among the wolves, if you may?
You want my secret sauce? Can't give him my secret sauce. But suffice it to say that, you know, I think investors are looking for options, right? Companies are looking for good brokers to sort of guide them. A while ago, I was inside and you know, the conversation was around making sure that companies, you know, are aligning themselves properly so that they can benefit from a stock exchange listing or from, you know, just from some sort of security raise, right? No, one of the good things is on the advisory side. We can help and we can guide clients that way. Again, the benefit of being a smaller shop is that you can handhold, you can talk to your clients, you know, and you can help them develop. Right, we don't really have the pressures of high targets yet, right? And that gives now the opportunity for us to really make a difference.
Today, we celebrate 20 years of excellence. Now, as we celebrate excellence, our founder and CEO, Mr. Almandoka.
All the people here today has contributed directly to the journey of Resolve IT in different ways. After 20 years, they're still in the 20% that is successful. Don't see problem, rather, it's a solution. Give Almando and his team a big round of applause. Let us work towards another 20 years.
You're looking to take your business to the next step. Look no further than Next Step Digital Solutions. Our team of experts is here to help you grow your online presence and get noticed. We offer a wide range of services, including web design, social media marketing, branding, and SEO. Let us help you reach your target audience and achieve your goals. Visit trynextstep.com to learn more and contact us today to get started.
Hi, I'm Neilson Rose, host of Let's Talk Stocks, reminding you that health is indeed wealth and time is really money. Why not spend a little time with us? Weekday mornings, 9 to 9:30 a.m. for your daily dose of business, economic, and investment insights.
Really make a difference in terms of the advice. Helping them along the best practices. So I don't know if you're aware, but I'm also a junior market mentor.
Yes.
Right. So coming to a Cumax to get the benefit of that as well. Right. Strict on governance. Strict on ensuring that the things that companies need along the evolutionary path, right, are put in place, because a lot of the companies that we'll be targeting are family owned. And the family mentality of running a business is sort of different, right? And to help them to put the structures in place, the governance, the board, etc., I think we will find our niche that way, right? In addition to the investment banking and all of the other things that we have to offer. Again, I don't want to have too much on the trading of stocks on the Canadian market. That's a big one which is unexplored, and a lot of people don't know that we have the capability, we have the competence, and we have the system to do it, right? So just a few of the thought processes, right? Not giving you my secret sauce, but
all right, Herbert, thank you very much for coming and chatting with us.
No problem at all.
It's the new man at Cumax Wealth Management, and he's saying to you, take a look. They will give you the personal service. They have the expertise, they have the experience, and they have the ability to get you into hard currency assets to help to grow your portfolio. Talk to them over at Cumax.
we celebrate 20 years of excellence. Now, as we celebrate excellence, our founder and CEO, Mr. Almandoka.
All the people here today has contributed directly to the journey of Resolve IT in different ways. After 20 years, they're still in the 20% that is successful. Don't see problem, rather, it's a solution. Give Almando and his team a big round of applause. Let us work towards another 20 years.
You're looking to take your business to the next step. Look no further than Next Step Digital Solutions. Our team of experts is here to help you grow your online presence and get noticed. We offer a wide range of services, including web design, social media marketing, branding, and SEO. Let us help you reach your target audience and achieve your goals. Visit trynextstep.com to learn more and contact us today to get started.
Give the perfect gift to your friends in human resource management. Empower them with the book, The Influential HR. This impactful book teaches mastering influence, earning respect, and securing a seat at the decision-making table. Available now at Stationery World and Book Center and online at Amazon.com. Don't delay, order today.
Me grew up and see my granny save her money under her mattress.
Exactly. Okay. Your grandmother's house never burned down?
No, how you reached that, so? That was a one-off thing.
That could have happened to anybody. That's why you must put your money in a financial institution and protect it.
What if the bank crash?
Well, that's where JDIC comes in.
What you mean?
JDIC is a financial safety net which provides coverage for your money in case your financial institution fails.
Explain that to me.
Alright, because of the JDIC deposit insurance scheme, once you put your money into a financial institution like a bank or building society, you can get coverage of up to a maximum of $1.2 million per deposit of your financial institution if it should fail. And for even more information, you can visit their new website at www.jdic.org, and you can follow the social media platforms for the latest information.
JDIC, protecting deposits for you and me.
Wealth is not simply counted in dollars or cents, but in the time we spend with love, in love, giving love. Wealth is not simply a means to an end. It is the means to live out loud. Wealth is more than money. It's about family, the memories you create, the legacy you leave behind, and your ability to enjoy life in the moment. It's also about seeing the Cumax possibilities and seizing investment opportunities to achieve the future you want and deserve. Which is why Cumax Wealth will focus on your investments so you can experience more. Because true wealth is truly more. To start investing today, call 876-926-7767.